Hey folks, it's Chef Kevin. Thank you. Thank you very much. Tonight I'm making a nice little summer side dish, and I'm going to be using zucchini as the main player. And I have some other fresh garden herbs here as well. So let's take a closer look. Okay, let's start with the zucchini. The zucchini is a form of summer squash. There's summer squash and winter squash, and they're usually picked at about this size because as they mature the skin becomes tough and the core fills up with seeds, so they're pretty much inedible at that point. So I would say my zucchini is about 10 inches. Whoa. That wasn't supposed to be a joke, folks. Okay, garden mint here, basil, cilantro, or you can use parsley or a combination, a lemon, garlic, olive oil for sauteing, sea salt, and fresh ground pepper. This is a real quick and easy and tasty dish. Let's get right into it. What I'm going to do is prep the zucchini first. Okay, zucchini prep. Got the ends off, very simple. And then I'm going to slice them in about 1/2 inch thick slices. Now, summer squash, and zucchini being one of them, are always served, or I should say it's always cooked with the skin on, because this helps maintain the shape of it. Whereas it's different, it's exactly different on a winter squash where you always cut the rind off. You don't eat pumpkin rind, do you? So I'm going to take a look at the structure of the zucchini. You can see the inner seeds are starting to form. They're fairly small though, so that's not a problem. Okay, zucchini is prepped. Garlic prep. I have 2 cloves of garlic. This is a small serving. It's just for one person really. It's going to cook down. Okay, I like to use a press instead of a knife to cut it, because this way you get a lot of juices out. Plus I love the sound that it makes. Okay, garlic done. Now this is my basil. I had it dried up. I had it drying inside of a paper towel. And what I'm going to do is just make a chiffonade. Chiffonade comes from the French term meaning small ribbons. So I'm going to stack them one on top of each other. And see, that's a good word to know, because when you're hanging out with your friends or you're cooking and you want to impress somebody, you say, yes, I'm serving a chiffonade. Small ribbons. I did the same with the mint off camera. So I'm ready to saute this. Let's go to the stovetop. Okay, a little olive oil. Okay, now you want to saute these until they're nice and brown. And that really doesn't take too long. So this will probably be about 3 minutes per side. Going to add a little black pepper. Cooking over a medium type heat. A little sea salt. Okay, I'm just going to let these rest. I'm not going to move them around constantly. And then after about 3 minutes, I'll flip them over and do the same thing. This is going to be nice, tasty, healthy meal. No sugar, no food coloring, no preservatives. That was about 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add my sun-dried tomatoes and my 2 cloves of garlic. This just smells so awesome. Don't want to burn that garlic. That's why I didn't put it in earlier. I'm going to add my fresh herbs. Now you always do this at the very end of the cooking stage. Otherwise they just become too mushy. Okay, zucchini with fresh herbs, done. Okay folks, zucchini with fresh garden herbs served. Let's give it a taste test here. It smells so good. This is off the hook. The garlic works perfect. The sun-dried tomatoes adds a little acidity, so that's good. I can definitely taste the cilantro and basil. Can't really taste the mint though. Well, the mint is there, but it's not in your face, nor do you want it to be in your face. So I think the only thing that could possibly make this side dish a little tastier is a little fresh lemon juice. Nature's perfect sauce. No calories, no carbs, no added sugar. That's nice. Okay, folks. If you like my zucchini, that wasn't supposed to be a joke again. If you like my food, if you like me for whatever reason, then throw me a friggin' bone here.
Throw me a frickin' bone here.